So the requirement is to transfer amount from one account to other account. You got it right?
Yes, sir.
Got that right? So
Mhm.
transfer amount from one account to other account. What is the rule to transfer? The rule to transfer amount is minimum balance should be 5,000 rupees. Okay.
Mhm.
Let us try to understand the logic, which you know already. Okay, you see my screen, right? So what I'll do is I'll remove, I'll not consider everything, whatever is there. So you have money. I have, you want to send to your dependent, let's say. This is you, this is me, let's say. Okay. You have, let's say, 50,000. Here I have, let's say, $7,000, whatever. Okay. The rule is minimum should be $5,000. That is the rule. Okay. Minimum balance in any account should be $5,000. That is the rule, minimum rule. Okay. Agree? Yes, no.
Yes, sir.
So now we want to transfer the money by using explicit transaction, not implicit transaction. So let's say you are sending 10,000 rupees from here to here. So you are sending 10,000 rupees from your account to my account, $10,000. That's sorry. So my account becomes $17,000. Your account becomes
Mhm.
$40,000. Yes or no?
Mhm.
Your account becomes $40,000. Now you are sending me next $30,000. So my account becomes $47,000. Correct? Correct?
Mhm.
Your account becomes
Yeah.
$10,000. Later, you are trying to send me $6,000. So here it will be $53,000. Okay. Here it will be
4,000.
how much?
4,000.
$4,000. So it is not committing. Okay. Actually, let's say it is not happening. But what it will do, it will check what is the balance. So every time, I'm sorry, I'm again going to the first step. Okay. So $10,000 you are sending. So after it will minus $10,000, it will be $40,000, $40,000. It will check $40,000 is less than 5,000. Answer is no. So it will transfer successfully and become 17,000. Okay. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Next, you are transferring $30,000. You are transferring $30,000. I'm sorry. You are transferring $30,000. So before you transfer itself, it will check what is the amount here? 10,000. 10,000 is less than 50K. 10,000 is less than 5K. No. So your 30K gets transferred. Got it? It becomes 47K. You agree? Got it?
Yeah.
Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. We understand this. Yes.
So now you are trying to send $6,000 again. $6,000 you are sending. Sorry. $6,000 you are sending. So it is 10 minus 6, 4K. 4K is less than 5K.
Yes. True.
Yes.
Yeah.
So cancel transaction. Cancel the transaction. So this transaction will be cancelled. Money will not be transferred. Got it?
Yes,
Got the
sir.
logic?
Yes.
Even if I want to send you also the same logic. I want to send you $40K. I want to send you $40K. What will be the remaining amount? 7K. 7K less than 5K?
No. Yeah, that's a false. Yeah.
No. So transfer successful. So it becomes 50K. Agree? For
Yeah.
10K plus 40K, 50K it will become. Agree?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now I would like to transfer 2K, let's say. Now instead of less than, you make it as less than equal to. So I'm trying to send you 2K. So 2K when I'm sending, okay, 2K when I'm sending, 7K is remaining here. Remaining is 7K. I want to send 2K. So 7K minus 2K, 5K. $5,000 less than or equal to $5,000. True.
Yeah,
So
true.
cancel the transaction. Got it? So minimum balance is 5K. You got the logic, right?
If there's a 501k, there's the
It's
transaction is
okay.
completed. Eh?
It's okay.
Yeah.
If
Okay.
it is $5,001 are there, that's okay, no problem. You can
Yeah.
transfer will be successful. The condition is less than or equal to 5,000. Okay, clear? Logic is clear.
Yeah.
How money is getting transferred.
Yeah.
So either
Yes, sir.
successful. This is when I say transfer successful. When condition is not meeting, transfer is successful. That is commit. The update is getting committed here. Plus it is minus. When this is this condition is true, it means that transaction is getting cancelled. Means it is rollback. Here it is no addition, here is no deduction. Either way. Okay. You want me to explain again? Let me know.
No, it's clear, sir.
If you want me to explain, I'll explain it another way. Let me know, everyone.
Sure, sir. I'd like to see another way.
You want to see.
Mhm.
Yes, sir.
So here 50K is there. Same logic, 50,000. $50,000. Okay, rupees, whatever it is, you consider 50,000 is there. Here you have 10,000. Okay. So this is receiver for now. Sender. Okay. Okay. Now the logic is here. Here minimum 5,000 should be there. Either of here or here. Minimum 5,000 should be there. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Rule is minimum
5,000.
balance 5,000. So if it is less than or equal to 5,000, it will throw an error. Okay. So now what I would like to do, I want to amount transfer. How much amount you want to transfer? I want to transfer
10,000.
14,000.
And 10,000 as first, and then step by step that's
When you say 14,000, what happens here is it is going to minus here. Okay. So I'll show you, see here. This is equal to this 15,000 minus 14,000. Okay. Is less than 5,000. False. Agree? You're getting me what I did?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I'm saying 50,000. This is 50,000. Minus, it is highlighted, you can see 50,000 minus 14,000 is less than minimum balance. Answer is false. False means what happens? It is going to deduct 15,000 minus 14,000. It is becoming 36,000. Here, earlier balance 10,000 plus 14,000. Are you clear?
Clear.
When upon verifying your source amount is less than or equal to 5,000, okay, it is moving up. This is the condition. Got it? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if it is false, this is the amount and this is successful. Okay? Clear?
Clear.
I just want to okay, if equal to false, okay, this equal to false. I want to make it easy for you to understand. Okay, this is not correct. Then print transaction successful else. Okay, fine. Basically, if this is false, this has to be successful. Okay, you got it right?
Yeah.
Successful means the amount got added successfully. Okay,
Yes, sir.
clear? If this is false, this amount got added and this got deducted. Now again, I'm doing a transaction. I want to add how much? How much you want to transfer now? So let's say 7K. Okay, 7K you want to transfer. From where? From this sender to here. So what is the condition? Is it false or not? See here, D4 is, so D4 is 36,000 minus 7,000. Is it equal to A4? I mean, is it is less than or equal to 5,000? No, it's not A4, it's A3 always. Okay, 36,000 minus 7,000 is less than or equal to 5,000. Is it false? Yes, false. So then your transaction is successful. What happens? 36 minus 7,000 is 29,000. 24,000 plus 7,000, it is 31,000. Agree? This
Yes,
is
sir.
all
Yes,
successful.
sir.
Agree?
Mhm.
Yes, sir.
Now I would like to send 26,000. I want to send 26,000. So from where? From here. So again the logic is if this minus this less than or equal to this. 29,000 minus 26,000, if it is less than or equal to 5,000, then what to do? Is it true?
Yes, sir.
It is true. So this is actually not correct for us. Okay. The condition is true. It means that it won't
Transition not
the
successful. Yeah.
transaction won't proceed. It will say fail. Got it? It won't transfer amount. Are you clear?
Yes,
No
sir.
transaction happened.
Yes, sir.
Nothing happened. 26. So what happens? This will be cancelled and your balance is 29,000 as it is. Okay. So you realize that I cannot transfer 29,000 because it is saying minimum balance is 5,000. Let's say if it is true, I'll throw a message. Minimum balance is 5,000. So what you do is, okay, I'll not proceed with this. I'll proceed with transferring 6,000. Okay. Sorry, I'll proceed transferring 20,000. So then what you'll do again, if 29,000 minus 20,000, I'm sorry, you are checking here. You are saying 29,000 minus 20,000 is less than or equal to 5,000. True or false?
False.
False. It is false. So what happens? Automatically here, it is 29,000 minus 20,000 will happen. It is 9,000. It is successful. And automatically here, 31,000 plus 20,000 will happen. This is also successful. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Everyone clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
How the logic works, are you clear now?
Mhm.
Instead of drawing, this makes sense, I guess, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah. But in the US condition, they're different ones, sir. Here, transition complete, but they charge the money from the account.
I didn't get you. Please come again.
Yeah, in the US, their bank transaction is completed, and they charge the money from the account, extra money from the account.
Okay. So
Yeah.
how much they can transfer? Tell me.
No, there's a
Max,
minimum
max
balance,
minimum, it will cross minimum balance. Maximum
a
5,000
minimum
they'll.
balance. Yeah, yeah.
Okay. And
And
they'll charge how
above the
it will get into a negative amount, correct?
from my account, I think if below the minimum balance, they charge $15. I think. Yeah.
Yeah. So that is there here also. But ideally, that's why I said explicitly I am saying that. See, if you can write a program which integrates with your account, let's say, okay, you verify it before it goes like this. You are trying to save from the
Yes, sir.
penalties. Okay, got it? So every time before you transfer, you have to
Oh,
check like this.
okay, sir.
Explicitly means we have to manually check. Explicitly means it's not system is doing. We are checking before we sending the amount. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So that case there is no chance of penalties. Correct?
Yeah.
Okay. So let us move on to the logic now here. So you want sender account and receiver account. Correct? Two accounts are required. Agree? I'll declare those. At the rate account 1 integer, account 2 integer. And what else you require? This is what we require. Account 1, account 2, and how much money you are sending. That is also required, right? the rate amount. Please ask questions if you don't understand. Stop me there only. Because after explaining everything, don't say that I didn't get it. We can save time, basically. Are you clear till now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So how many accounts we have? 2 accounts we have. We didn't create this. Okay, we have 2 accounts. So what I'll say, set at the rate account 1 having more balance. So 101 I'm keeping. Set at the rate account 2 having more balance, 102 I keep. I mean less balance. And set amount. Let's say I want to send 20,000. So imagine now this is a 70,000. Delete. 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 75,000. 5,000 only here. I want to send 20,000. So this logic is correct. 75,000 minus 20,000. It is less than or equal to 5,000? No, it is false. Correct? Agree?
Yes, sir.
75,000 minus 20,000, which I want to transfer now to this receiver. Whenever you check the condition, it is less than 5,000? No. 75,000 minus 20,000, it is 55,000. 55,000 is less than 5,000? No. So, good. We are good. So, now here, I want to transfer. Yeah.
On the set, we're gonna put the transfer amount, not the minimum amount, right?
Here, amount, okay, transfer amount only, you can say. Transfer amount. Okay, 20,000. So now what you'll do, it is checking condition. So we have to check that condition or not. If of select star from accounts where account number is equal to first account, who is sender, what is the balance? So you see this, the balance, okay, the balance is 75,000. I want to deduct the amount, that is transfer amount, which I want to deduct. It is 55,000. If of this amount, whatever 55,000 is less than or equal to 5,000, then what I'll say, roll back, print after deducting, after, okay, amount is getting less than $5,000 after deducting the amount to be transferred. Hence, transaction is failed. Agree? Agree now?
Yes, sir.
Oh. So let's say instead of this is 20,000, I'll make it as 7,000. Okay, I'll comment this row. Okay, so just check this. It is going to print out. Amount is getting less than 5,000 after deducting the amount to be transferred. Hence, transaction failed. Clear? That's what we did there. Here also we did that only, right? Last step, it is true, we cancel it, correct? Chorus, yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Got it.
Okay, good. Now, before these accounts I'm using, I want to validate these accounts are correct or wrong. If these accounts are existing, then only I want to proceed with the transaction. Okay. So just before this, select star from accounts where account number in 101, 102. These two are available, check. Yes, these are available. So I'll say if of two records are coming. Okay. If it is less than, if it is equal to two records should come, right? We are passing two accounts, it has to come two records. Then begin and I'll make it as begin transaction here. Here only I'm starting the transaction. Begin transaction. This is explicit transaction. I'm taking control of SQL Server. Please ask any questions if you have.
So could you explain the if select count line to me once?
Sure. What we are doing is, I'm not sure your account number is valid or not. Correct? So see here, I'll just say else part. Okay, I'll explain you. Else part. Else print given account number is invalid. Can I have a moment, please? It is not going to verify whether the balance is there or balance is deducting whatever it is. It says your given amount, given account number is invalid. Now see, I'll just give 103. 103 is there in your system. 101, 103. 103 is there in your database table? No. It is giving only one record. That is 101 record. Yes or no? Yes or no? One
Yes, sir.
record only coming. So here the
Yes,
count
sir.
becomes 1. 1 is equal to 2. Is 1 equal to 2? No. 1 is not equal to 2. So what it will say? Please check your account number. It is invalid. So here you can write still more clearly. Select start from accounts where account number is equal to account number. So I write if statement here. Here I'll write again count of star. If this equal to account number, then I mean this is equal to 0, not, sorry. If it is equal to 1, it is going to work here. Okay. If it is now one among these two, which is invalid account number, I am just telling you. Print account number what is our account number? It's an integer. So account number 1 I am converting as varchar of 5 is, you are getting me?
Yes,
Is
sir.
invalid. I can say your account number 1 is invalid. If it is not the first account number, it is second account number. Account number 2 is invalid. Now see which is invalid. Account 1 or account 2? Let us see. So this will fail. It will not get into the transaction. It will not send any money even though balance is available. It will directly come here. It will verify this. Which account number is wrong? It is going to say, see. Account number 2 is invalid. Here condition is 2. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Not here. Here. Now see. Account number 2, 103 is invalid. It is not there in the table. Agree? 103 is there in the table? See? 103
No.
is not there in the table. So it is saying if you are using 103 in your transactions, okay, I am using 103 in my transaction, it is not getting into the transaction. First, it is checking your account number is valid or invalid. Why? This account is not available in the table 101, 102. So if the 102, if it is there, it is going to give 2 records. 2 records count is equal to 2. Yes, both accounts are available in your database. Proceed whatever the transaction you want to do. If this is returning either 2 or if it is returning less than 2, it is like 1 or 0, whatever, it is going to give what is the problem with the account number. Clear? Alisha, clear with this logic? We are just checking whether the given account is there in the table or not.
Yes.
Everyone clear?
Yes, sir.
There's
I'm not going to share this script to you, but this question will be part of your exam. I'm just telling you. Okay. Again, I request please don't take screenshots. I know you're smart. Okay. So here, once your account numbers are available in the database, it means that our tables are there and account numbers are there and amount is there. We can do the transaction. So I want to start a explicit transaction. So I'll say begin the transaction. Very first only I'm verifying once deducting amount from the account 1. So account 1 is sending the amount. Okay. Account 1 is sending amount. Let's say 20,000. Let's say 70,000. Okay. So 20,000.
Pankaj, sir, quick question here.
Yes.
In 35, in line number 35,
Hmm.
select balance. After balance, what is that? Is that hyphen?
Minus.
Oh, that's minus. Okay.
Minus. That is amount, right? Numbers.
Got it. Mhm.
Balance is 75,000. 75,000 minus 20,000. That is 55,000.
Right.
55,000 is the output of this query. 55,000 is less than or equal to 5,000. True?
What? No.
55,000 sorry. 5,000 is less than or equal to 5,000. Is it
No.
true? So no. So as it is no, we are getting as this is. I mean, this is true, right? Okay. One moment. So in that case, this will not execute. False, right? It will not get into here. Yes or no?
Right. Yeah.
So rollback I'm enabling. So what it will do, it will get into else. So what you can do, you can update the amount. I want to update accounts table set balance is equal to balance minus whatever the amount you are transferring for whom, where account number is equal to first account. And similarly, balance equal to balance plus for the second account. Agree?
Yeah.
Then what you are going to do? You can say print. If you want, you can keep it easy. Print amount transferred successfully and commit the transaction. If you see here, in case this condition is true, you are going to say amount is getting what is this? Amount is getting less than 5,000 after deducting the amount to be transferred. Hence, transaction is failed. Here, amount is transferred successfully because the condition is meeting. There is an excess amount in the account 1. So there is here it is going to be updated to 75,000 minus 20,000. The final amount will have 55,000. Whereas here you have 5,000 plus 20,000, which results in 25,000. Okay? Amount transfer successfully. Commit the transaction. That's it. Anything tough you feel now?
Yeah, that's good, sir.
Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But I think
Yes.
we need some time to.
Digest it.
No, we understand, but yeah, writing time maybe it takes time. But the concept understood.
Okay, I'll rewrite again. Now I have to create a stored procedure for this. So this is a script. So I rewrite it. See how to write it now. How to write, how to check and write again. Okay. So I'm writing here, create procedure. USP underscore amount transfer. So this is how generally banks work. Okay. So what are the input parameters? I have to give input parameters account 1, agree? Account 1 integer, account 2 integer, transfer amount money as begin end. Agree? These are the inputs you are passing.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
step 1, validate given account numbers are valid. So what you'll do? Select star from, like this you have to write code first, where account number in whatever you get here. So this you'll get and this you'll get. So if there are two accounts, it have to give two records, correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
We
So
are
it has to
checking
give
the
two
account
records.
number.
Yeah, we are checking the account numbers. It has to give two records because there are two accounts, two account numbers. So I'll make it as count of star if of, if it is returning 2, then proceed. So then proceed with the transactions. Means amount transfer. Okay, proceed with the amount transfer transactions. If it is not 2, what it means?
So what do you mean?
Given account number is or are both invalid. Yes or no?
So
Am I
what
right?
do you mean by is equals to 2?
And this, if this is true, we are going to do the transactions. If this, if it is not returning two records, because it has to return two records for the two account numbers.
Oh, yes, sir.
If it is not returning two records, then the account number, whatever we are passing, are not correct account. Correct? Are you clear? Are you clear with this?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So now, to make it more clear, which account number is not valid? I want to verify which account number is not valid. So for that, select a star from accounts where account number is equal to first account. Similarly, if this returns 1, I'll say count. If this returns not 1, I see if this returns 0. If this returns 0, it means that it is not there. If it returns once, it is there. It will come here. If it is equal to 0, then you have to say account number 1 is invalid. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Actually, in the above script, I have written else. No, we should not write else. Why? Because if both are invalid, it will show only one is invalid. So again, we have to write if. If account 2 is equal to 0, then print account 2 is invalid. It means that if both are invalid, it has to print both. If it is one is invalid, it will print one. If I write else, either one only will print. Both will not come. You agree with that?
So what does that 0 mean?
0 means I am passing here 104. Okay. Is 104 available in our database? No, it is not available. So 0 is returning. This condition is true. It means that account number 1, that is account number 1, whatever I have used, is invalid. Here I am having 110 is the account number I am sending for the account 2. Account 2 is available in your database? No, it is also returning 0. So even account number 2 is also invalid. It is going to 0. Got it?
Yes, sir.
I'll just say print given account numbers are valid. Just a print statement I'm giving. I'm executing this procedure. Okay. Compile this procedure. Now I'm executing this procedure. Oh. Else. I'm altering this. So like this, you can keep adding the script and you can alter it. Okay. That's the best way. I'm executing this. I'm giving 101, 102. Both are valid. I'll execute this. What it is? Okay, one more parameter. Let's say 20,000. So given account numbers are valid. You see, given account numbers are valid. Yes or no? Both are available. It is saying yes or no. Are you clear? It is checking here. So in this place, 101 and 102 will go. 101 and 102 it is going. See here. 101 is here. 102 is here. It is checking 101 and 102 are available in the table. S2, 2 is equal to 2, true. It is saying your account numbers are valid. Please say clear, not clear.
Yes,
Else I keep. Everyone clear, right? With this first condition?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, if instead of 101, 102, I'll say 103, 112. So these two are not there. What it will do? It will not execute. It will not print this. It is false. It will come out of it. When it is false, it will go here. It will go here and check. Here 103, here 112. Now if you execute this, this is not correct. So it will go to the else part. Again, it will check whether which is wrong. If both are wrong, it will say both are wrong. See, both are wrong. Account number 1 is invalid. Account number 2 is also invalid. Account number 1 is 103. Account number 2 is 112. So instead of 103, I'll give 101. 101, 102. So this returns 1. 1 is equal to true? No, it is false. Again false. Even though 1 is available, it is false. So it will not execute this part. It will come to else part. So what it will do, see. Here I am saying 101. I'm sorry. Now what it will do? It will say only account number 2 is invalid. Means account number 1 is valid. You got it?
yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's why I kept two if conditions. If I write else, only one will execute. One will be the output. Even though both are wrong, it will give only one as an output, either 2 or 1. Okay. Again, back to here. If I execute this, it will say given numbers are valid. Let's say if I give 111, 112. Now it will say both are invalid. Account 1 and account 2 are invalid. If I give 101 and 112, it will say account 2 only invalid. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I'll say print given account numbers are valid. Okay. Now what you can do? Proceed with the transaction. I'll say begin transaction. What transaction you are doing? Sending the amount from one account to other account. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So before sending, what is the condition for you? You have to check after sending the amount, balance is less than 5,000 or not. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So select start from accounts where account number is equal to first account. Whatever the first account, it could be 102 or 103, whatever the first account. What we'll do? We'll do balance minus whatever the amount you are transferring. So let's say amount transfer is 20,000. So here it is 101. Just think. It is 55,000. Okay. What I'll do, I'll just say if this returns less than or equal to 5,000, then what you need to do? Don't proceed. Don't proceed. Why? Transaction failed due to transaction
Insufficient
failed.
balance.
Yeah, insufficient
Balance. Yeah.
sufficient funds after deducting amount. Okay, got it? I'll say don't proceed, roll back. Any questions on this? Let me know. Step 1 is validate the given account. Step 2 is else part you can do. Step 2 is verify which account is invalid. Okay. So next step 3. Step 3. Start the transaction. Validate balance after deducting the amount transferred, amount to be transferred is less than or equal to 5,000. That is step 3. If it is so, you take care here. Roll back. Step 4. If step 3 is false, then we can proceed in transferring the amount. So this is false only, right? Less than or equal to 5,000 means if this is false, then it will come to here. Else begin end. What you'll do? Amount transfer. Update accounts table. Set balance is equal to balance plus or minus, you do first. Amount transferred where account is equal to first account minus next second account. But you'll do balance plus transfer for the second account. Then what you can do? Transaction successful. That's all. After this, you have to commit. That's all. Over. Let me know. Challenges. So now I'm altering this procedure. Now I'll execute from 101 to 112, where it will not successful. Why? Because very first it is checking step 1, it is account numbers valid. It is not valid, so it will directly jump onto the last step, that is step 2, where it will say so and so account number is invalid. So amount transfer is not possible. So now I'll make it as 102. So account number having 75,000. So 75,000 minus, so both accounts are valid. This will be good. It will enter into here. So after entering, it will check your balance minus amount. So 75,000 minus 20,000. So 55,000. 55,000 is less than 5,000? No. So what it will do? It will come out of this condition and directly say update the amounts. That's all. So given numbers are valid, amount got updated, transfer successful. So you can check the table. So let's start from accounts. We got 55,000 and 25,000. Okay. Now I'd like to send 50,000. I'd like to send 50,000. So now what happens? Both accounts are valid. Yes, it is valid. It will enter into here. It will check here 55,000 minus 50,000. Here the balance will be 5,000. 5,000 less than or equal to 5,000. True. Yes, 5,000 is less than or equal to 5,000. It will get into this block. What it will say? Transaction failed, insufficient funds after deducting amount. Roll back the transaction. So it will not proceed. See here, given amount, given account numbers are valid, transaction failed, insufficient funds after deducting the amount. So if you see the output again, there is no change in the output. It was like that only. Can you write now? I'll stop sharing my screen. I just share my requirement. Can you write the code now? I explained almost 3-4 times, I guess. Can you do it now?
Oops.
Maybe not.
Yes,
I think
sir.
we
Why
need to
not?
practice first.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Practice it. You do it. See, I'm saying don't write the first code. I also didn't write the code first, right? First I did select star from accounts. Whether this account number is there or not. Balance is minus, it is working or not. I am verifying manually. Then I am going into the code. Correct?
I actually wanted to ask you a
Yeah.
question on that. If
Yeah.
you can go back to the query.
Sure. Yeah. Tell me.
So so here after checking the first block, right? And then if that is invalid, so you said okay, it jumps all the way down to the last block. So
Huh.
what actually makes it like checking the condition here in the first
See,
block
this
and
is
then
if both accounts are there, fine. If only one account is there, this condition is failed, right?
right.
So what happens? It cannot execute this. It
Okay.
cannot execute any code. Why? Because the account number is that's the first primary check. Your both account
Right.
numbers are valid or not. So what it
Okay.
will do? It has to say else statement. Account numbers are not valid.
Okay.
I can make it more. So this way will show the account number also, which account number is invalid.
Right.
Clear?
Mm-hmm.
See, first forget about invalid account. This logic you forget. Okay. This is
Okay.
enhancement. First, assume you are giving positive inputs. Both accounts are valid. Just that is mind. And keep that in mind. So this logic you can ignore.
Okay.
This logic also you can ignore. This condition also. Mainly you have to concentrate on this logic. How to update, how to transfer. Once this is successful, we can add the tags. Okay, verify the given accounts are valid. Then it will come. So if it is invalid, we have to populate. Then it will come. Got it? So main logic is this. This is the main logic.
Okay.
Okay. So to go with this logic, you have to check this condition. You can write another way also. If balance amount, if it is greater than 5,000, if it is greater than 5,000, then do the updates. Else roll back. You got it?
Yeah.
If it is 55,000, 55,000 is greater than 5,000, yes, then do the update. Transaction successful. Else, populate transaction failed. Either way you can do. Because I kept 5,000, 5,000 is a limit. I just kept less than 5,000 should not be there. You can write other way also. The same logic.
All right.
You can write if it is greater than 5,000. Okay. Go ahead and update
Yeah. Yeah.
and commit. Else, if it is not greater than 5,000, go and roll back.
Okay.
This
Yeah.
way you can do. Just the condition, however you want to. Okay. Can you write now? Try writing.